How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday we showcase a particular park model, and today it goes by the name of the Stillwater. With the name like the Stillwater, you want to do just that. You want to take this home, put it right on the water, sit still, and enjoy every second of it. And guys, it all starts right here with, as you can see, all this natural light coming in from the top. We've got clear story windows going throughout the living room and kitchen. So it just gives it a nice, open, airy feeling. You got built-ins right here for you as well. You look, we've got a built-in entertainment center with a HD laminate countertop with a backsplash right above where you can go ahead and mount your flat screen TV, have your DVDs, everything down there that you need. And guys, it flows so perfectly right here where you have a nice dining section. So you can put a bistro table, a little small table right here where you can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at your convenience. If you do have people over, you also have a little edge countertop where you can put a couple stools around and enjoy that as well. The HD laminate countertop flows perfectly through the kitchen, looks very nice, and it complements the white cabinets as well. These are real wood cabinets. Complements the stainless steel appliances. You got a convection oven with the smooth top stove. And then also, you got the side-by-side fridge. It gives you a little bit more space since you got it right here in the hallway. And plenty of storage in here as well. We have 3 cabinets right here on this side and 6 on this side of the hallway. So you got plenty of room for everything that you need. What I like so much about the Stillwater is this section right here, where you actually have the area for a full-size washing machine and dryer. You don't have to do stackable, so you can put these side by side and you have enough space right here for your detergent and everything right above. And guys, if you look right here, we have a pocket door that closes off right there, right into your bath. You come right in and you'll see we again continued the HD laminate countertop. Got a nice sink right there, and you've got a shower that actually has seats on both sides for you to be comfortable while you sit in there and enjoy this home. Guys, you walk with me right here, and it leads perfectly into the master, where you've got another pocket door as well to close it off for privacy. And we actually have a queen-size bed in here right now, so you can kind of see how much space that you actually have in the room. You've got nightstands on each side of the bed, built-in cabinets above, and we keep it nice and flush in here, so we actually have a cabinet right here over the electrical panel. So that closes off very nicely, just gives it a nice look in general. And you also have barn doors for your closets. You slide those right open, close them right back, you're good to go. And you have an area right here up above for your TV, drawers, and everything built in. Guys, you just follow me right back through the home, and we'll show you what makes this concept so nice. You see right here, we go right back into the kitchen, and then it flows perfectly into your living area, guys. It gives you just the amount of space that you need to live comfortably in 399 square feet, and you can do it right here in the Stillwater. I thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Thank you guys. Remember to like, comment, and share these videos, and we'll keep them coming for you. Thank you.